on me. I have like lost myself. I thought I was really my mental state. Moving like there was the point where it was to the point where like I started feeling like I was crazy. And I was in the streets. My mom gave me, I never had.
Sorry, you were where?
In the streets, like in the streets. I was living from like house to house or whatever. And I kind of learned this past time, like I'm gonna night again, not feeling to do that again. Like I don't want to do that. I hit rock. I hit rock bottom. When I came in here, I was like, you could see my bones from my face. They always end up straight sending me to like lockdown facilities, but I really love the Apple Home. The Apple Home was.
Oh, let me just tell you, you're not going back to the Apple Home.
Okay.
That's out of the question.
Yes, ma'am.
You're going to a lockdown facility because obviously being at the Apple Home, if I were to continue, you will be going to a lockdown facility. These are your choices. And do you deserve these choices I'm about to give you? Probably not, because you've been missing since 2023. But I'm taking in consideration the nature of the case that you're on probation for and the fact that you have someone who needs their restitution paid. This is what's going to happen. She's pled true to violation of condition number 4. I see that her probation length is for 5 years.
2025. The underlying sentence was 5 years.
Yeah, she should be from 2023. That's when she was placed on probation for 5 years.
She was placed on probation for 2 years.
I placed her on probation for 5 years.
And that would be 20 years.
Okay. I don't know who's making these recommendations. She's been gone since 2023.
Yes, that does.
All right. So I'm finding number 4 true. I'm going to deny the motion. I don't know if you're going to be successful on this or not.
Those are taken into consideration.
All right. If you all can step back and see what offenses probation is speaking of. Because if she has open cases, there's...
Familiar with those?
What is the open case?
Assault, peace officer, harassment, public servant, Your Honor.
All right. And so when y'all are making these offers, why do you all think that I do not need to know this? Because nobody told me that she has open pending cases. What is happening with these? Oh, I've just been given this. What is happening with these open pending cases?
They're subject to review and they haven't been presented to the grand jury. We talked about this the last time we were here. We were not going. I know you didn't want to get involved in plea negotiations.
Because there was supposed to be a contested hearing today.
That was on an MTR because of the circumstances, but we've come to an agreement. Different prosecutor. We were able to have a meeting of the minds.
And Judge, the supervising officer is present today.